Well, good day everybody. You join me at the Deutsche Autofest, or should we say the German Autofest here at TT Assen in the Netherlands. What you can expect to see is a whole bunch of German cars, from the BMWs to the Mercedes to the Porsches to some supercars and really different cars. So let's go have a look and see. Yeah, we start with something different. We got a rusty BMW Typ drift car here. Oh, the symbol. Look at this thing. This is rusty looking. I don't know if it's all rust, but the paint is a copper to make it look a lot more rusty than it is. But the fenders and that have definitely got it. This thing is so beat on, but it's funny at the same time. It's really different. We've got a BMW M2, the new generation, in this baby blue from Germany. Really, I don't know if I would normally like the front. I like the front end, actually. It's not as snorty as this, for sure. So you should like this. This actually looks really good, this front end. It's a bit squared off, like a cyber punk type look. Got aftermarket rims. I don't know too much modifications on this car. It does have a lot of carbon, but I think that is factory, a lot of the carbon. But the tail lights look cool. Very squared off look. But I have to say, I'm not normally a big BMW fan, but this M2 looks really good. Like I said, it's got that squared off look. Even here by where the join is. Look how squared that is off from the side to go to the back rear quarter panel. Inside looks pretty cool. It's got a cage. I think that cage might be a factory option. I don't know. You guys tell me. But what do you think of that? I think it was a really cool color and really cool car. Here we got something a little different. So you just see a BMW with a trailer. That's exactly the end of the car. I think also Alex would enjoy this. So if you don't have enough luggage space, you just tow your trailer that looks like a car. so different. Good long, very simple format, should we say? But yeah, what is it? So that's how you do it. You just cut another car in half, a crashed one, and make it a trailer. Something quite different I want to show you. We got this Audi RS4. I think it's RS4 or RS3? RS3 with a wide body kit. Looks really cool. Sorry, but it is an Audi RS. Quite sure it's an RS3 with a wide body kit. Forged carbon look. I don't know if it is real forged carbon. Or got a forged carbon layer on it. It looks quite cool. The wide body kit on it. And the grey and black actually suits it. I'm normally not a grey person, but really. So over here, we've got something you definitely don't see every day, and it came out a couple of years ago. So this is Volkswagen Passat. Cool, exclusive car. Kind of to go against the Mercedes E-Class, S-Class. But for a limited run, Volkswagen brought them out with the W12 motor. Yes. A bloody W12 motor in a Passat. How crazy do you have to be? Here we have a BMW 850R in the traditional BMW red. It does have HC snits on it. I don't know if that is really an HC snitzer or it's just a put-on sticker. but really old school with flip-up lights. Left-hand drive, German car, really cool. Leather, BMW A50i. Really, I would say that was made to be an Autobahn racer, or Autobahn cruiser, shall we say. There we have it. Here's quite a cool caddy I came across last year, and I'm glad to see it again this year. So, it's a caddy from Germany called Cadillac, and it's like dark purple color with BBS rims and that. What I really like about this is the back of it, with the brace arms from corner to corner, with the old ammo case for grenades. It gives a little touch, just slightly wider fenders on it, but just a proper little Volkswagen one. But really cool car. Another awesome cool car is that the sky blue Quattro with rotiform rims. Okay. I do like the colour. Reminds me of the Arctic Quattro you would have seen in one of my other videos. I think I like the other colour a little bit. If it's a shade dark, I think it would be a lot different and better. Another car I want to show you. I don't know if it really fits the German festival, but here we got a Ford Festa ST. It's a Mark 7 ST. And I kind of like the livery. I think the livery is simple but quite elegant and different. But you can see it's definitely a girl's car with, it's got a bigger intricate, but not that. Look at the eyelids, like it's got makeup on. It's got a little accents like makeup. And then it says there, definitely what gives away, Bitchmobile. I love the attitude. So definitely going on the German stats, we've got this BMW M2 CS race car for the M2 CS race series. But you can see this car's on full slicks. It's got all the right racing bits in it and on it. So obviously these cars are built for series. You can't build besides what is restricted to the series. And there's a Ricardo seat. Wicked looking steering wheel. I don't know if you guys can really see it now. And then the air induction for the air to get in the car. And then really, you guys know me. I love my race cars. That's something I really, really do enjoy. Is race cars, because you know what, they're built for a purpose, and one thing only is to go fast as best as they can. We're going to walk down the show paddock as there's quite a lot of different cars here. First of all, we got this clean Mark 1 Golf 2-door with a 16-valve engine, but look how clean that engine bay that is. Porsche rims, simple bumper, the thinner style bumper, and then a modern interior. Then we have this Volkswagen Caddy pickup with a V6 3-litre Audi motor. Obviously going to the rear wheels, and you can see it's got the widened front lip and that. I don't know why the back's not widened, but this must produce some power, eh? Really, really must produce some power. We're gonna have a quick look. I don't see anything on the rear diff or anything, but it must have a rear diff in it. So basic bin lining on the back. It does have a rear diff, I can see it from here. But yeah. Then we got another Volkswagen Caddy, the Cherry Mark 1 with a wooden panel back. BBS wheel with the 16-valve motor. Really, really cool. With BBS rims too. We got a Volkswagen air-cooled van here. Really old school van, no back windows in it. Let's have a look. Got this Polo. That's full Euro spec. Full interior done. A really, really show car. And let's see what we got here. Got the pink BMW and pink Audi, owned by the same lady. but not too modified than that. The Seat. But then we got this wide body, box-shaped BMW with the Pandem body kit. A lot of these cars you do see modified, but not with wide bodies. Really cool to see. Cool to see wide-bodied. I kind of like the color. What do you guys think of that? All you have seen, but you've never been described, is Mo's BMW E46 with his big-ass single turbo. Because this man is a bit special in the head. There's this beautiful BMW E46. I don't know where his front plate is. He normally has a front plate here. And then if you see, he has the streamer pipe for the turbo. Got the gold BBS rims, the matching cage, and we've got Justin here being a good passenger princess. Really beautiful car to see. And we will be hearing it. And with the wing in it. Looks like a proper BMW GT style car. Really does.
Van Volkswagen gaan we naar de Bimmer toe, oftewel de BMW of de BMW.
Yeah, we've got a BMW G60. Really great looking car. Look at the rims with the gold. The black, again, you guys know me in dark color cars.
Ik denk, er zit nog een beetje ruimte achter in die auto.
Big dark color car fan. It's quite a different little setup I came across. First of all, what the hell is that? I've never seen a Volkswagen like it. Save the classics. What is this? What's that gel? Damn, dude. That's really different to see. Anyway, we got this Golf 2 GT. Not GTI. It's adventure. But the VR6 supercharged. That must have a bit of horsepower, eh? Because the VR6, I think that must be close to 300 horsepower. 250, 300 horsepower. Damn, that's cool, eh? And pushing that to the front wheels must be a lot of work for the car. Does have some upgraded brakes in it, but really different. And then we got just a basic Jetta here. Mark II two-door. Alright. I've just left the show. Sorry this vlog is a very short one. A lot of things adapt to the vlog being very short. One, the weather. You'll see in the vlog, it rained sometimes, didn't. And actually when we left now, it was raining quite bad. Now, look, there's nothing. So I'm on my way home now. And we're going to have a quick little rundown, as I've got an hour 40 minutes to spare, but we're not going to make it that long. Let's try to break down the show a bit. Great show, great location, TT Assen. Always a great track / venue to always see and go to. It was a German car show, so all the German cars, not German car show, but German cars, German manufactured cars. I want to say there was a variety, but I want to say 80% was BMWs, and 80% of those, 80% were just BMWs with rims, and which I agree is modified cars, but for content for me to put out to you guys, I think it was a bit, it's okay, you know. There were some beautiful cars, some interesting cars. Of course, Mo's BMW. There was that Passat, that W12, even though that's stock, that is something really rare to see. There was that beautiful M2, that black baby blue M2. That was quite a nice car to see. Stuff like that. There was the Caddy with the V6. That was very different. The Golf with the VR6 supercharged motor. That must be wicked to hear and wicked to see. I'm surprised we don't hear those things, you know. The guys, there's a lot of hidden cars at these shows that are in a crack in the corner somewhere and no one talks about them. So yeah. So in that aspect, I think it was a good show. I would have loved to see more variety. There was the drifting, which you won't see in the vlog, but yeah, I'll get kicked off that very quickly. We'll explain that another day. But otherwise than that, I think we're going to end the vlog here. Thank you everyone for joining me. Really, really appreciate it. And the next vlog you will see is going to be a flipping crazy one. We'll see you all soon there. Cheerios.